Do you know what's estrogen? Estrogens are hormones that are important for sexual and reproductive development, mainly in women. They are also referred to as female sex hormones. According to the experts, the term estrogen refers to all of the chemically similar hormones in this group, which are estrone, estradiol, and estriol. You should also know that estrogen is produced mainly in the ovaries. It is also produced by fat cells in the adrenal gland. At the onset of puberty, estrogen plays a role in the development of so-called secondary sex characteristics, such as breasts, pubic hair, and armpit hair. There are many times throughout a person's life when estrogen levels may change. For example, estrogen levels naturally increase during puberty and during pregnancy. Estrogen levels fall after menopause, or when a woman stops menstruating. This reduction in estrogen production can cause symptoms such as hot flashes, vaginal dryness, and loss of sex drive. Estrogen levels also decrease after childbirth. High levels of estrogen are often confused with PMS symptoms. If not treated on time, it may lead to some cancer types, as previously mentioned, fibroids of the womb, recurring abortions, and infertility. Early warning signs you need to pay attention to: irregular menstrual cycle, decreased libido, mood changes, headaches, hair loss, cold feet and hands, slow metabolism, thyroid dysfunction, PMS, fatigue, trouble sleeping. So, ladies, if you experience more than half of the above-listed symptoms, it is recommendable to begin an estrogen detoxification diet. It will help you balance your estrogen levels and help you lose weight much faster. The health of your skin will be improved as well. Include these 2 ingredients into your healthy diet. Rosemary. You can use rosemary essential oil. Many experts around the world think that rosemary essential oil is an exceptional tool for managing estrogen levels. It is also known as fertility oil. Moreover, it has the power to stimulate blood flow in the brain, strengthen the immune system, and encourage thyroid function. Flaxseed. There are more than 50 uses of flaxseed for treating and preventing many different diseases and health problems. You can encourage healthy estrogen levels by consuming 2 to 4 spoons of linen seeds on a daily basis.